Happy Friday, everybody. Today we are going to do a little bit more measuring. Yesterday we measured some school supplies with blocks, and today we're going to measure some more school supplies with blocks and compare how big things are, how long, how short they are, and I hope you've been trying to do some measuring at home with some things you find around the house. So let's start with this pencil. And remember, the most important thing when we're measuring is we always start at an edge. So you can see that the end here, there's a line at the bottom and there's a line at the top marking it for us. We don't want to start in the middle because then we're forgetting to measure a lot of it. So here we go. I'm putting the blocks at the bottom edge and reaching it up. So far, I have too many blocks, don't I? So I'm going to reach up here and pull some off. And now it's just right. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The pencil is 8 blocks. All right, let's try the backpack. And let's start with 8 again, and let's see how that matches up. So we'll line it up on one edge to the top, and oh my goodness, would you look at that? The backpack and the pencil are exactly the same. What did you know? So they are equal. 8 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops. 8 blocks for the backpack, 8 blocks for the pencil. Let's try the school bus. So this one, I'm looking at these two, and I think that the school bus is a little bit longer than the pencil. Let's see. So I'm going to start at the edge. Oh, yep. So 8 is not enough. And let's start by adding one more. Now we're at 9. Is 9 enough? Nope. Let's try 10. Not quite. It looks like we might need one more. And that is just right. So let's go ahead and let's count how many blocks long the school bus is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the school bus was 11. The backpack and the pencil were both 8. So the school bus so far is the biggest. Let's try an apple. And let's start with 11 blocks and see if that's too much, or just right, or too few. Let's start at the bottom edge. And we'll measure up to the top. All right. So let's count up, and then we'll break it off where we need to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count again. My fingers got confused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's hanging over the edge just a teeny tiny bit. So the apple is 7 and the pencil is 8. What's the difference in between? How many more would I need to put on the apple so it was equal to the pencil? If you said one more, you're correct. All right, and we'll try one more. I'm dropping all my blocks. And let's try the scissors. So this is a different piece. So let's see how well we do with this one. It looks pretty close. And I'm looking, it's a little too far over the edge at the top. So let's break off one. Got it. All right, let's do some counting and some measuring. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the scissors are 8 also. We had 3 parts today. We had 3 different pictures that were all the same. How about that? So we know if things have the same amount, the word we use for that is equal. I hope you have a fun weekend. Maybe you can find some things to measure around your house this weekend. We'll see you next week.